Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ecosphere jellyfish is probably one of the most mesmerizing and low-maintenance ways to bring a slice of the ocean's tranquility into your home, offering a unique and captivating visual experience that requires minimal effort to maintain, making it an ideal addition for anyone seeking a touch of natural wonder without the complexities of traditional aquariums. Number 5. XXXFLOWER Plant Terrarium with Wooden Stand. Elevate your space with this unique decorative piece. It's perfect for showcasing your favorite plants and adding a touch of freshness and elegance to any room. Crafted with a sturdy natural wood frame and durable high-boron silicon glass, this planter is built to last. Its design brings a touch of nature indoors. Ideal for your home office, living room, or kitchen, it complements any decor. You can easily observe your plants' growth and help them thrive. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes an excellent present for plant lovers, perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. With a convenient size and all necessary accessories included, setting up your new plant display is a breeze. Just add your plants and enjoy. Use it as a beautiful photo prop to create stunning visuals. Fill it with colored water or add decorative elements for a truly unique look. What we like? This option offers a charming retro aesthetic with its natural wood stand and heat-resistant glass bulbs. If you're looking for a unique decorative piece to showcase your plants or create a stylish tabletop display, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate vintage-inspired decor and want to add a touch of elegance to their home or office. What people say. The jellyfish are beautiful and mesmerizing to watch. The ecosystem is self-sustaining and requires minimal maintenance. The lighting system is adjustable and enhances the visual appeal of the jellyfish. Number 4. Lightahead Large LED Jellyfish Lamp. Introducing the Lightahead Sensory Jellyfish Lamp, the pioneer in calming and therapeutic aquariums since 2007. Experience the original and trust the brand that set the standard for relaxation and well-being. This lamp is designed to be larger and brighter than most others on the market. Its meticulously crafted jellyfish movements and 18 vibrant color-changing LEDs create a tranquil, peaceful, and soothing deep-sea ambience. The quiet, realistic movement of the jellyfish, combined with fascinating color-changing lights, helps reduce stress and anxiety. It's great for children, adults, and seniors, including those with special needs like ADHD and autism. Enjoy the fascinating color-changing effects with 18 LEDs and quiet motor operation. The lifelike jellyfish movements are so realistic, you'll be captivated by the tranquil, deep-sea atmosphere it creates. Use it as a night light to help your children fall asleep. The gentle, rhythmic movement and hypnotic colors provide a calming setting, perfect for bedtime stories and peaceful dreams. This lamp adds character to any room and makes for a great conversation starter. It's an ideal gift for any occasion, perfect for homes, offices, and institutions. What we like? Experience a truly mesmerizing and calming ambience with this sensory jellyfish lamp. Its realistic jellyfish movements and vibrant, color-changing LEDs create a tranquil deep-sea environment, perfect for stress and anxiety relief. If you or someone you know benefits from sensory stimulation, or if you're simply looking for a unique and captivating conversation piece for any room, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The jellyfish are beautiful and mesmerizing to watch. The ecosystem is self-sustaining and requires minimal maintenance. The lighting system is adjustable and enhances the visual appeal of the jellyfish. Number 3. biOrb Classic 15 Aquarium. Introducing the biOrb Classic 15, an aquarium inspired by the timeless beauty of a fishbowl. Its 360-degree view allows you to admire your underwater world from every angle. Crafted from durable acrylic, this tank is lighter, stronger, and clearer than glass. It also offers superior insulation to maintain a stable temperature for your aquatic life. Our patented 5-stage filtration system ensures a clean and healthy environment. It efficiently handles biological, mechanical, and chemical filtration, along with oxygenation and water stabilization. The integrated white LED lighting creates a captivating shimmer, enhancing the beauty of your aquarium. It's easily controlled with a simple on and off switch. This complete kit includes the aquarium, LED light, air pump, filter, and all necessary media and treatments. All you need to do is add your personal touch with decorations and enjoy your new aquatic haven. We stand by the quality of our product with an included 2-year warranty. Enjoy your beautiful aquarium with confidence and ease. What we like. This compact aquarium offers a crystal clear, 360-degree view of your aquatic life thanks to its durable acrylic construction. Its patented 5-stage filtration system makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. If you're a beginner or have limited space and want a low-maintenance, visually appealing aquarium that's lighter and stronger than glass, this is the perfect starter tank. What people say. The jellyfish are beautiful and mesmerizing to watch. It's a self-contained ecosystem that requires minimal maintenance. The lighting system is adjustable and creates a stunning visual effect. Number 2. Marineland Portrait Glass Aquarium Kit, 5 gallons. Experience a stunning view from every side with its sleek, rounded corners and clear glass canopy. It's designed to beautifully showcase your underwater world. Create the perfect ambience with 2 lighting options. Choose bright white LEDs for a sunlit effect or calming blue LEDs for a moonlit glow. Enjoy easy access for feeding and cleaning thanks to the hinged lighting and sliding glass canopy. Maintenance has never been simpler. This 5-gallon aquarium is the ideal size for smaller spaces and fits our right size Z filter cartridges. It's a compact yet complete solution. Our advanced 3-stage filtration system is completely hidden, ensuring an unobstructed view of your aquatic life. It provides superior water clarity without compromising aesthetics. This kit is designed for easy assembly and maintenance, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced aquarists. Enjoy a beautiful, thriving aquarium with minimal effort. What we like. Enjoy a clean, unobstructed view of your aquatic world with this sleek glass aquarium featuring hidden advanced filtration. The dual daylight and moonlight LED lighting options allow you to create the perfect ambience for your tank. If you desire a stylish, easy-to-maintain aquarium with a modern aesthetic that enhances viewing from multiple angles, this 5-gallon kit is an excellent option. What people say. The jellyfish are beautiful and mesmerizing to watch. The light feature adds a nice ambience to the room. It's a unique and interesting conversation starter. Number 1. Nacome Solar Turtle Garden Statue. Add a touch of whimsy to your garden with this delightful solar-powered turtle statue. It's designed to bring charm and light to your outdoor space. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful statue comes in an attractive box, making it an ideal present for moms, grandmas, or anyone special on birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. Enjoy automatic illumination without any hassle. It charges in sunlight and lights up automatically at dusk, providing up to 10 hours of warm light. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly recycled materials with a UV-resistant coating, this piece is built to last and maintain its vibrant look outdoors. Designed to withstand all seasons, rain, snow, and humidity. You can place it anywhere outdoors, knowing it's safe and will last through any weather. Enhance your garden, patio, balcony, or yard with this versatile decorative piece. It's perfect for adding character to any outdoor setting. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, our dedicated after-sales service is here to ensure you have a pleasant shopping experience. What we like. Add a charming and eco-friendly touch to your outdoor space with this solar-powered turtle statue. It automatically illuminates at dusk, providing up to 10 hours of warm light, and is built to withstand all seasons. If you're looking for durable, low-maintenance garden decor that adds a whimsical glow and is made from recycled materials, this is a thoughtful gift and a beautiful addition to any patio, yard, or balcony. What people say. The jellyfish are beautiful and mesmerizing to watch. The ecosystem is self-sustaining and requires very little maintenance. The lighting is adjustable and creates a lovely ambience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.